Hello, my name is Dr. Cheryl Winter. I am a functional medicine doctor of clinical nutrition, as well as a family nurse practitioner and registered dietitian. As you might gather by my credentials, I have always been interested in nutrition. Nutrition was my very first degree before even becoming a registered nurse and eventually a nurse practitioner. Because I'm also now a functional medicine practitioner, I see nutrition as the real medicine, whether it be by eating real, non-processed foods or getting the nutrients through supplementation or even IV. Nutrition is real medicine, not the prescription meds we are often prescribing at last resort. But sadly, because our soils today are so depleted and our crops are now being sprayed with harmful pesticides, no one is really able to get the nutrients they need anymore from our foods. And thus, some type of supplementation is needed to promote or regain health. And IV nutrition therapy is proven to have phenomenal benefits. So for me, starting an IV nutrition therapy clinic is a no-brainer. I've always known that as a nurse practitioner in private practice that I would want to eventually have my own IV therapy practice. But the things that were making it difficult for me were three things. First was residing in Texas, where I would require a collaborating MD. The cost and logistics of finding a collaborating MD were proving to be overwhelming at times. But luckily, I stuck with it, and it's no longer an obstacle for me because I found someone who is wonderful and is very supportive in what I'm doing. So I've been blessed in that regards. And secondly, the second obstacle was having enough office space without spending an arm and a leg. And this, as it happened, is also no longer an obstacle for me right now, as I found some amazing property that I could actually purchase and have some extra space to also lease out that extra space. So I'm blessed in those regards as well. But for others not as fortunate to have the space, I really love the recommendation that the IV Therapy Academy has recommended for those people unable to get their own space, is to create a mobile clinic and be able to go to different businesses and offer your services. I think that's a fantastic idea. So where there's a will, there is a way. And finally, the third obstacle is really finding a reliable and affordable IV nutrition therapy training course.